Alright, today is Sunday, 26th, about, what time is it? 4:11 in the afternoon. Before I forget, there's Rocster. Come here, say hi. Yes, Rocster. Alright, now, Saturday was total waste. Slept until God knows when, I think 12 o'clock. The turn light on. There we go. I went out and bought me a new weed eater. It has a what they call brush hog blade on it. It's 3 blades of metal, and well, started doing his yard. Took a tank of gas to do all this, but you see how high it is, and now you see what it looks like. But while I'm doing it, I know I gotta find them now. I had wild strawberries. See, I got wild strawberries, and they're good. Got a bunch of them all over here. I just wish I knew. Now it's going to rain, so what I might do is, since it's getting ready to rain here, as you can tell, I'll go and plant my garden and leave the rain water that, and then I'll show you that. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, take it easy. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alright, it's still Sunday, the 26th. Now it's about 7 o'clock, and Rookie wants to go outside. You gotta stay, or you gotta put you on his tether. Stay. Stay. Alright, hang on, you guys are gonna put you down for a minute. Alright, sorry about that. I gotta go free my boy up. Hang on, boy. You guys gotta find out where it is. Alright, sorry about that, but I got a lot of putting together. Alright. You only got so far, boy. There's my boy. Yeah, since I made boo-boo. And, you guys are going to get a lot of them. As you can tell, I'm in my house slippers. My pants are covered in mud. While putting my garden in. I'm going to head up that way now. But like I said, part in the already seen, I'm just repeating myself. I've got part of my boy's yard done, but not all of it. What I did do, I took a tank of fuel, but I like their new design. The weed eater with the attachment for, as they say, brush hogging. It took me a few minutes to figure out the proper way of using it, but once I did, that thing ate up that high grass. I still got a lot more to do, but if I work at it a little bit at a time, I'll get it done. And back to the comment from Grow Me Something Mister. The 2 trees that came down was from the ice storm last year. There's part of it. There's still a bunch of it in there. I still got to go. There's wood I've been splitting. In the wintertime I couldn't do nothing. I've got so much branches to do that these hours I work now, second shift, just doesn't give me time to do anything. I also want to come out at night and disturb everybody. But here's my garden. First row is, well, the one with the cages is tomatoes. I've got 2 peppers on the end down here. I got 2 right here. I've got 2 spices here. And I got a row of spices here. I've got tomatoes here. Down here I've got a couple more spices. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but I think that's basil. We'll see what happens. And then behind that I got peppers, bell peppers. Then over here I got my 5 ghost pepper plants, 6 habanero plants, and a couple lemon peppers, I do believe. I've got a bag of onions I got to still plant. So I got about half my garden planted, still got half to go. But I was in and out. I got 1 row of tomatoes done before I had to go dodge into the house because I got soaking wet in the rain. Then it stopped and we came out. No, wait, I got my herbs in first, had to stop. Got my tomato plants almost in, had to stop. It took me like 3 or 4 tries getting it, and well, when after I said I had to plant my garden today and before it rained, well, that's how long it took me. It took me about, I don't know, 2.5 hours to get it planted, just because I was running in and out of the rain. I know, I'm not sure I won't melt, but come on, you guys, you can only handle a downpour for so long. If I had somebody helping me, I would have done it, but it's only me. And I gotta clean this area up, get my wood stacked. Now let me get out of here and get back up here. What's up here? Those are branches I think came out of my tree. And I gotta get those cut up. So I mean, that's what came out of my tree, if I'm not mistaken. My tree or that tree, or my tree or that tree, in the ice storm last year. Then also too, I know it didn't come out of my tree, but either out of this tree here or that tree. I don't think one came out of that one. It was a big branch that came down, and my neighbors over here cut it up because more or less it was theirs. I didn't care, and I cut down a couple trees over out of there after that because I needed them down because they were broke. Then this is what left. I moved all the branches I could move out of here so I could cut this. I had a big weed area, as you could tell, and here's some more. I'm just going to throw those into the fire area and hack it up. Now hopefully this year I can trim that out or get it down. I might just go ahead and burn all this over here if I can. Figure out a way to burn it all, or burn all this, kill it and burn it, or cut it all down and say screw it, even though they got a bunch of raspberry bushes in there. But anywhere I turn in my yard, I've got raspberry bushes, so all I gotta do is dig them up, and it takes, I think, a second year or third year before they produce fruit. So, I mean, it's no big deal to me. I can always get them. I've got to clean this area up, but this is beginning to look like a pigsty worse than I don't like it. I kept it real clean where I could get to the boat, but now I can't do anything. Everything's growing up, so I'm going to just have to more or less bite down and go in there and cut all that. I might put that pole up this year. I haven't decided yet. I got to still work on that. Like I said, now it's in 7:08 in the evening. I don't know if we're going to get any more rain, but I got what I needed. I got to get all these branches moved. What I'm going to probably do is just tear and throw them in the hole behind this root ball and move all these branches in the whole root ball and catch on fire and catch that whole thing on fire. I've got a bunch of branches in there. I've got to cut up some more of this stuff. So if I can get it all cut up and stacked, so all I got to do is split it. I can come out here, and if I get someone to help me, I can split it, load up a wheelbarrow, and they can go and stack it for me, and then all I gotta do is just keep splitting it. I don't have to split so much of it, or then pick it up and go split again, and then go stack. And there's my boy. Hopefully tonight it cools off enough. I know it's nice and cold because of the rain, but I'm gonna see about putting these wood, taking the nails down, out, screws out. Come on, boy, let's go. And go ahead and start seeing how much and making my raised bed. If not, I'll do that tomorrow. Come on, let's go in. Come on. Look at it. See how well he listens? Alright, you guys. Rocster says, thanks for watching. He says, thanks for watching. Now I'm going to go hunt my mice if I can find any more. I know there's at least one in this house. Anyhow, and then I got to get on this. Hopefully I can get this done tomorrow too. Alright, hey you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys hopefully next week. Bye bye.